Hello everyone and welcome back to the Posworx training. Today I will be talking to you about receipts. Receipting of goods is a take-on of products delivered from a supplier or warehouse of an invoice. I'm now going to show you how to create a receipt on Posworx. On your home screen, click on Product Control, Receipts, and in this receipts screen you are able to see all your previous receipts. Here are your receipt numbers, store name, supplier name, reference, user, and date. Click New Receipt. Select a supplier. Enter in a reference. Your reference should preferably be your invoice number as it's easier to tie up at month end. Tick Scan Products and scan in your items like this. I've scanned in one item twice. As you see, the quantities has adjusted accordingly. You may also manually type in a code or type in a description like this and select the items you would like added to your receipt. Right click, add products to receipt, and as you see below, the products have been added to this receipt. When capturing products during the receipting process, ensure that the barcodes and the codes are correctly selected in Posworx. You can enter your quantities and edit them according to your invoice. If there is a freight cost on the invoice, you may enter in a freight amount here and click Apply Freight. Notice a freight amount has been added to each product. If there is a discount on the invoice, you may add in a discount percentage here. There is no discount on this invoice, so I'm going to remove the discount percentage. The invoiced units and cost value should be matched according to the receipt. By completing this receipt, it is regarded as finalized and cannot be edited. Click OK. A message appears. Are you sure this receipt is complete? Note you will not be able to make any changes once you click Yes. See receipt. If you would like to print this receipt, click Print. And a receipts report like this will appear. You may export this report, you can print this report, or you can copy and paste this report onto another screen, or you can click on the envelope and email this report. I'm going to close this report. You can click Print Labels and a message will appear. Are you sure you want to print all the labels for this receipt? Click Yes and your labels will print this receipt. If you would like to create a transfer from this receipt, click on Create Transfer. And that is how you would create a receipt on Posworx. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.